Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. First of all, thank you guys, thank you for your support. It's amazing to understand how much you are close to this channel, to my work and to what I'm doing here. Remember to support this channel by Patreon. Follow the link below, or if you are not in this monthly stuff, you can donate once in a while by PayPal. Follow the direct link below. Okay, another great way to support this channel is buying stuff in Amazon through the links below. No additive cost for you, and just a little help for this channel. Okay, now let's build a nice bookshelf. Stay with me. Start by preparing a 10 cm by 5 cm piece of foam. At this point, mark two strips of about 3 mm on both sides. Split the piece horizontally into 3 parts, creating 2 more 3 mm thick areas. At this point, delete the 2 side strips. On what will be the back of the bookcase, you can create wooden planks. This step is optional, you will understand later why. Here is the first technique I show you today, how to create large quantities of books for your bookshelf. Cut strips of foam of different thickness. Here I have strips of 7, 5 and 3 mm or even less. Now divide your stripes with parallel lines at different distances. These will represent your books. Now, cut the strips into mixed groups from 1 to several. Stand by to see what the final effect will be. Now we prepare the 2 shelves that will hold the books. These are built by cutting 2 strips of foam 10 cm long with a square section of about 3 mm per side. Note that it is easier to create the wood grain before cutting the 2 pieces. Now the wooden planks that will actually make up the casing around the bookcase. We cut 2 pieces of 5 cm by 1.5 cm and 2 pieces of 10 cm by 1.5 cm. All the pieces measure about 3 mm thickness. We designed the wood grain. I suggest you, as usual, to take a look at my tutorial number 4. At this point we can assemble our pieces. First, we position the 2 5 cm planks.
then the upper and lower 10 cm ones. Now let's take the two shelves and remove a piece of 3 mm foam from each end. They will fit perfectly the bookcase. Now the books. We paste the grouts we created previously, paying attention to alternate different thicknesses. Even if the thickness won't be realistic, the final effect will be incredible and will give our library an incredible depth. With this technique, you can complete a large library in a couple of minutes. If you want to create individual books for a much more detailed and interesting look, here's how I do it. Take a small piece of foam about 5 mm thick, approximately 1 cm by 1 cm and something. With the pen, create a line that crosses one side and that on the upper and lower side arrives almost up to the edge. Always with your pen, draw the cover with symbols and writings, and you're done. For fantastic opened books, I suggest you to check DMG info tutorial. Take a look. Now the last touch. When the bookcase is massive like in this case, it becomes a very spectacular piece on your gaming table. For this reason I decided to go a little further and enrich this piece with a wall segment. This detail is also of fundamental importance for me for the construction of my completely modular ancient library. First, the base. Add a support of stones using the aluminum foil technique to increase the textures. Then add a wall segment to the back of the bookcase. For the creation of my next project, I had to build a dozen libraries like this. However, it's always good to create at least a couple of pieces, don't forget it. Ready for the painting session. First, I cover the whole piece with a mixture of Mod Podge, acrylic dark gray and water. Check my tutorial number 1 for this technique. Once dried, start with the basic colors, gray for the walls and brown for the wood. Books can be a pain in the ass, but take some time and devote many colors to these details. It will be worth it. After the classic dry brush with warm gray, our library is complete. Beautiful and very easy.
Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Remember to support this channel through Patreon or PayPal. And yes, I think I see you all on the next episode. Till next time, happy crafting!